Good morning, students. Today I want to explain you three topics about the comments, about the watermark and footnotes and the endnotes. So, students, I want to tell you that whatever things I am explaining you, you can get everything in your book step by step. So I am reading here for you and I am showing you how can you able to do all these things. So first our topic is about the comment. As I told you, comment what we will do. Firstly, we will go to, as I told you, comment is for clarification or remind to take an action. So firstly we will select the text. Then we'll go to the review option. Then there you will see new comment option is there. As you will click the new comment, you will see one balloon appears over here. As you can see, cursor is blinking over here. You have to write down the comment, whatever comment you want to give to that text. So here I am writing down computer is an electronic machine. So it is the comment for that computer text. Okay, so after writing down, what we have to do, after writing down the comment, whatever comment we want to give, after writing down, what we will do, we will come out of the comment box. Anywhere in the markup area we will go and you can see the comment will saved over here. Okay, understood? This is called markup area and there only comment will show. Whatever, how many text we will select for text for comment, every comment will show here with the number. You can see here number 1 is written over here. As we will save this one, you can see in the selected text 1 will be written. From there only we will delete option is also there. From there we will delete the balloon. Okay, understood? This is the first topic, that is the comment. Now next our topic is watermark. As I told you, watermark means text or picture that appears behind the document text, means whatever the document text we are having, in that it will appear. For that what we will do, we will go to the page layout option. You will see, as I will go to the page layout option, I am also reading for you that click on the page layout tab, click watermark on the 1 minute, see, we will go to the watermark page layout tab, then click watermark in the page background group. What display a list of pre-designed watermark. As we will select the watermark, one page will display, that is called pre-designed watermark. Okay, here you can see already from earlier only it is saved, so you can see very light color. We will change the color of that. Okay, from there customize, we will go to the customize watermark and we will custom, means according to us we will save there. Here no watermark is there, picture watermark is there, text watermark is there. So we want the text, so we will select from here. You can see it's the language English, we will select English, then text. I am writing, after deleting it I will write down computer. Okay, our text is, our document name is computer. I am writing down here text. Then font is also given, then color is also given. If I will change the color, you can see the text color will also change. As I will do the OK, you can see in the document one text appears, that is called watermark. Okay, we will customize here. We can also change the color of the page. Okay, you can see the color is also changing according to us. We can change the color, we can change the page border, whatever, how we want to decorate the page, we can decorate according to our wish. Okay, so what we have to do, first we will go to the watermark, then custom, then you will see there customize. You will see here all the text over written here as a watermark. Understood? Now next you can see, here so many. I am taking here a blank page. So in the blank page I will show you how to take the footnote and the endnote. Okay, our next topic is footnote and the endnote. Here also you can see, firstly we will go to the reference tab. Then you can see reference tab here, insert footnote. As you will click the insert footnote, at the down of the page, the cursor blinking over here, and what the footnote we want to add, we can write down the text for the footnote. And after writing down the text, press shift plus F5. Okay, after writing down the text, don't forget to press shift plus F5. It is for then as you will press it, the word returns the insertion point, means whatever text we are writing, it will the cursor will move to the insertion point, to the place in your document where you inserted the footnote. Where we had inserted the footnote, it will go there. Okay, now next our topic is endnote. Endnote means, again we will go there. You can see insert insert endnote. Firstly we will go to the, you can see here one is blink, in one only it is blinking, and at the down footnote we had written. Now as I click the insert endnote, you can see one more dot came here, and I am writing down here the number, and it will denotes as the end note. So here two things we are doing. First I had done the footnote, which goes at the end bottom of the paper, and end note means, you can see where our text is, there we can press the end note, we can save the end note. Okay, now next you can see what all the menu, you can see here what all the options we are getting to decorate our paper: watermark, page layout, page color. You all these things you will get in the page layout. Okay, try to open each and everything in your computer to research from yourself that what we will do. You can also see here custom watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you can remove also from here. You understand how to put the watermark? Here we can also select the picture as the watermark in your system. If any picture is there, from that you can also select the text, but here we are selecting the text as a watermark, so I am selecting text, and according to our wish we can change the color. As I will put the OK, you can see here one ASAP, you can able to see ASAP, that is the watermark. Okay, now next is here I had completed my topic. 3 topics I explained you. Thank you.